Hosta Blue Ivory, a gardener's guide by Ferb Vu. For those seeking a captivating shade-loving perennial, look no further than the Hosta Blue Ivory. This exquisite plant boasts a striking combination of foliage and a tolerance for neglect, making it a perfect choice for busy gardeners like myself. Let's delve into the world of Hosta Blue Ivory, answering your most pressing questions. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What makes Hosta Blue Ivory special? The heart of the blue ivory's charm lies in its captivating leaves. Unlike its close relatives, the blue ivory features broad, blue foliage edged with a clean, bright white margin. This sharp contrast creates a stunning visual impact in any shady corner of your garden. The foliage emerges a cool blue in spring, maturing to a deeper, more nuanced shade as the season progresses. A subtle greenish blush may grace the margins during the summer's heat, adding another layer of intrigue. Standing tall amidst the lush foliage are delicate lavender flowers that bloom in mid to late summer. These star-shaped blossoms add a touch of elegance and attract pollinators like hummingbirds and butterflies. While the flowers are lovely, the true star of the show remains the magnificent foliage. How to planting and care for Hosta Blue Ivory. Planting. Hosta Blue Ivory thrives in partial shade, with dappled sunlight being ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. When selecting a planting location, consider the mature size of the plant, which can reach up to 16 inches tall and 30 inches wide. Space your blue ivory accordingly to allow for proper growth and air circulation. Amending your soil with organic matter like compost is beneficial, as Hosta Blue Ivory prefers rich, moist soil. Ensure good drainage to prevent root rot. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and gently massage the surrounding soil to encourage root growth. Water thoroughly after planting and keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the first growing season. Care. Once established, your Hosta Blue Ivory is a remarkably low-maintenance plant. Regular watering, especially during hot and dry periods, is essential. However, established plants can tolerate some drought conditions. A light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring can promote healthy growth. Deadheading, or removing spent flowers, is optional, but helps the plant focus its energy on producing more stunning foliage. In fall, after the foliage dies back, you can remove the dead leaves for a tidier appearance. However, some gardeners prefer to leave the foliage over winter as it provides natural insulation for the crown. Pests and diseases. Hosta Blue Ivory generally enjoys good resistance to pests and diseases. However, slugs and snails can be occasional nuisances. These slimy creatures find the tender new growth of hostas particularly appealing. For a natural solution, try placing crushed eggshells or beer traps around your plants. Hosta Blue Ivory versus other hosta varieties. The world of hostas boasts a vast array of varieties, each with unique characteristics. Here's a quick comparison of Hosta Blue Ivory with two popular choices. Hosta halcyon. Considered a parent of the blue ivory, Hosta halcyon shares the blue foliage with a slightly more subtle white margin. The blue ivory, however, boasts wider leaves with a more pronounced white edge. Hosta siboldiana. This popular variety features large, blue-green, heart-shaped leaves. While lacking the contrasting white margin of the blue ivory, Hosta siboldiana offers a more textured and substantial presence in the shade garden. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your personal preference and the desired aesthetic for your garden. Additional tips for success. Companion planting with ferns or heuchera adds textural interest and complements the cool color palette of the Hosta Blue Ivory. Mulching around your plant helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Hosta Blue Ivory is a slow grower, so be patient and enjoy the anticipation as your plant matures into a stunning specimen. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your Hosta Blue Ivory thrives and becomes a cherished part of your shade garden for years to come. So, why not add a touch of elegance and tranquility to your outdoor space with this captivating perennial?